just because you're mean to me. That's it. Get away from me, and when you come back you better start smiling and be nice to me. Got it? Wait, Rat, where are you going? I did not mean to.
Oh, Rooster, how dare you insult Rat and tell him to smile? You know that Rat never smiles during his lifetime. That's it. Go home right now, and after I end the video I'll be calling your parents.